Hi, this is Heather from Time Timer. Occasionally we get questions from our customers about the disc on the timer not moving. For any of our timers, the very first thing to do when that occurs is to check and make sure you have a fresh battery. Often that will fix the problem. There is one other troubleshooting tip that we can give you for the plus that you can try. If you press firmly down on the four corners of the lens that covers the face of the timer, occasionally that lens will pop up a little bit and that will prevent the red disc from moving as it should. 99% of the time, just popping the lid down, popping the lens down will correct the problem. If you still have questions, please give us a call at 1-877-771-TIME, T-I-M-E, or you can always send us an email at support@timetimer.com.